Okay, you ready for Christmas? All right, come on out. Let's look under your stocking.
He came.
What did he bring you? What do you see, Claire?
Is that an umbrella?
What's that? He brought you an umbrella? Aww, that's nice.
What else is there?
I like
That's
your new
pretty.
umbrella. What else did Santa bring you?
He ate a little bit of his treat.
Oh, he did? Oh, and he left you a note. You want to see what the note says?
What?
Do you see the note? It says, "Dear Claire and Sawyer, thank you for the milk and cookies. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Santa." He left you a nice note. What's that?
Oh, that's cool. Who's on there?
It's Frozen. He got you a new cup. We better put some Milky in there in a little bit.
Yeah, it's a new special cup. See what else is there?
Yeah, go see what else Santa brought you.
Mama, look, Olaf's on there.
Olaf's on there? Oh, yeah. Okay, Claire, what else did Santa bring you? What's that, honey?
What
What's
is it?
that?
Lego friend.
Oh, yay! Lego friends. That's what you wanted from Santa Claus, right, Claire? You can go see the other one?
2 Lego friends?
Oh, wow.
Is that what you told Santa you wanted?
Yeah.
It's good that he remembered.
Claire, look what... Yeah?
Did you hear Santa?
I heard him on the rooftop.
I do too.
What'd you hear?
I heard him too. Did you hear the bells?
Yep.
Were they quiet?
No, they were loud. Claire, I think he brought you one more thing. Do you see it?
Hey.
You take it off?
What is it?
What's that, Claire? Princess pajamas?
Yeah.
Aww. Nice. You got some good stuff for Christmas, huh?
What's your favorite?
What about your stocking, Claire?
Huh?
Oh,
Did you put
yeah.
anything in your stocking? Yay, look at all our stockings.
There's something in our stockings. Okay, let's see what he brought you in your stocking. What's that?
Grandma.
Looks like lip gloss. Like lipstick. You like that? What's that? Oh, that was supposed to be Mommy and Daddy's toothbrushes. Whoops. Ooh, what's that? Candy, yummy.
Anything else?
Oh, there's your toothbrush. What kind of toothbrush did you get?
Barbie.
Yay! What's that?
Barbie's lipstick.
Oh, I think those are Band-Aids. Barbie Band-Aids. Remember how we ran out of Band-Aids? What's that? Princess toothpaste.
Princess and Rose.
way down there?
Yeah. Something is down there. Oh, let me help you. Get that out of
Let's see, maybe we can just shake it out. What is it?
Gummies.
Gummies. Oh yeah, those are supposed to be in your stocking.
Huh?
That's cool. I'll share
Yum.
with Dad. I like gummies too.
Daddy likes those. Do you want to see what's in Sawyer's stocking?
I can help. He can open it.
Yeah, you can help him. Go over there and show him.
What is it? Sawyer, look what you're getting. What Santa brought you?
What is that, Claire?
Some socks. Nice. More socks. That's lots of socks, huh?
Is anything else in there?
No.
Claire, can you get Daddy's stocking? Which one says
It's
David?
It's by, but it's on Santa.
Yeah. Okay, can you give it for Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give it to him. Claire, you want to see what's in Daddy's stocking? Can you open it for him?
My umbrella's Aurora.
You like your new umbrella?
With Santa.
Claire, what's your favorite present from Santa?
Lego friend.
The Lego Friends? Yeah, we'll have to play it.
Open